Welcome back, gamers. Today, we're diving into a common issue many players face in Counter-Strike 2, the dreaded inventory loading problem. Are you experiencing signs like a perpetual loading icon or an empty inventory? You're not alone. Many players encounter these symptoms. First things first, check the server status. Sometimes, the problem may not be on your end. Use platforms like Down Detector to verify. Next, try clearing the game cache. This simple step can resolve various loading errors efficiently. If that doesn't work, let's verify the game files through Steam. This ensures no files are missing or corrupted. Keep those graphics drivers updated. An outdated driver can cause loading issues, not just for Counter-Strike 2, but for many games. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it temporarily. They can interfere with your connection to the game's servers. Further, check your firewall and antivirus settings. They might be blocking the game's access to the internet. As a last resort, consider reinstalling the game. Sometimes a fresh install is the best way to fix persistent issues. If you've tried all these solutions and are still having issues, check out community forums or the official support page for further assistance.